This is how you can check Pinterest history. Pinterest does not keep a long, comprehensive history log like a web browser. Instead, it offers a record of recent interactions and activity. So, for your viewing history, you're just going to head over to your profile page. Just click on your profile right here at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, you're going to check the saved section, which is what you can see right here. All of these are all of your saves right there. And then from there, you can also check the activity section, sometimes found under the notifications icon for a timeline of your recent activities, such as pins you've viewed, commented on, or reacted to. So we can see it right here, maybe from updates. It really depends on the type of or the layout of your Pinterest. Sometimes you may be able to find it from the settings and support as well. So you can just click on settings right here, and then you're just going to click on privacy and data, and you should be able to see all of your recent engagements right here. Now you're also going to scroll down. So if you want to clear your viewing history, you're just going to make sure that you clear your data from here, from this page, so you can delete data from your from here. You can just click on delete data and then just click on continue after that, and then that's it. That is how you can check Pinterest history. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.